Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. No, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement, not only price-wise, but you look down here at the volume, which includes a portion of yesterday's volume, particularly late day from Wednesday, which you can see right there. But point being, definitely well above average volume the past day and a half. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward would be if the price can stay up above $4.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.15, I am not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 415, that would be great. But from the big picture of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. That's right up around the $4.80 mark. It's quite, it's not like the sellers are hiding themselves at all. They've made themselves pretty apparent. Yep, price got up there, sellers rejected it back down. Price got up there again, sellers rejected it back down. I'm not saying the price can never break above 480. I'm just saying, according to the story that the chart is telling us, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to not only fight above 480, but then also be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, very nice move the past day and a half. And as long as the price starts chipping away and building those higher bases, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.